Before I explain how you can get free Nitro, I want to quickly mention something useful. There's a store called NITRO Hope Store that offers Discord decor at very low prices. Right now, they even have a product listed at 100% off, completely free. You don't need any payment method to claim it. Just place the order and follow the instructions they provide to proceed. You can also check out their reviews on their Discord server if you're considering making any purchases in the future. Now, let's get back to the main topic. Discord is giving away another ORBS. Before we start, enable the VPN and change the location to the US. I'm using Urban VPN here. The first quest is from Supercard. Unlock 1.2 times means if you have Nitro, you can claim 240 orbs instead of 200 orbs. It's just 1.2 times more than the actual number. So there we have it. We have received 400 orbs in total. I know Discord has been giving fewer orbs lately, and even I can't do much about it. We just gotta take whatever we get. It's better than nothing. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.